Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Open your Canva template and confirm the correct size and page. Click the template to activate the editor and show side panels. Select Uploads from the left panel and choose Upload Media to add an image file. Locate the image on your device and click Open or drag the file into the Uploads area. Wait for the upload progress to finish and then hover the image to prepare for placement. This simple sequence opens the template and imports your picture for editing. Drag the uploaded image into a frame or onto the canvas for placement. Use the corner handles to resize while holding Shift to constrain or release for free transform. Double-click any image to enter crop mode and reposition the photo inside its frame. Use the 4 edge handles to crop to 1/4 or full bleed as needed. Use the position menu to align left, center, or right with one click. Lock the image layer to prevent accidental movement after. Select the placed image and open the Edit Image panel to apply filters or adjust settings. Tweak exposure, contrast, saturation, or set transparency to 50% for subtle overlays. Right-click any image and choose Replace Image to swap files without reformatting the layout. Use Align and Flip tools for precise orientation and group elements to move multiple items together. When finished, click Share, then download and choose PNG, JPG, or PDF, and select Transparent Background or PDF Print for 300 dpi output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.